hexagon, a six-sided figure, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's why they call it six-sided figure, is made out of three equilateral triangles, x, y, and z. So over here, x, y, and z over here. So these are three equilateral triangles. So it's always good practice to write what you know about the equilateral triangle, which means that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay? Now, if these three sides are equal, and this will make it into an isosceles triangle. Do you see? Because they're all equilateral, which means that all sides are equal, then this one also somewhat become an equilateral isosceles triangle. Now, I'm going to use a different method to teach you for this one, because just in case your teacher have not taught you, I'm going to teach you something new. They're asking us to find the sum of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. Now, this is actually quite a poorly drawn hexagon. It should look something like... It should look something like this. Okay. Now, what your teacher may or may not have taught you is this. If you add up all the angles together, there is actually a formula to find out all the angles added up together. The formula is this. How many sides are there? There are 6 sides, right? The formula is this. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. What does N stand for? N stands for the number of sides. How many sides are there for a hexagon? 6 sides, right? So it's 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. 6 minus 2 is 4, so it will be 4 multiplied by 180 degrees. And this will give me 720 degrees. In total, this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this will give me 720 degrees. Why do I want to teach you this? It's because over here, because each of them are equilateral triangle, and we know that the total angle in any three-sided figure is 180 degrees. If it's equilateral, means all the angles are the same, which means that each of them will be 60 degrees. Okay, so 60, 60, 60, so this one will be 60 as well, this one will be 60, this one will be 60, and this one will be 60. Now what happens, right, if I've already found out the sum of all the angles inside here, and then I minus off 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, I minus off 6 sets of 60, that will obviously give me the A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F, correct? So if I have all the angles added up together to become 720, I minus off 6 sets of 60, I'll be able to get the rest of the angle together. Okay, that's actually what I'm trying to do. So what I'm trying to do is, let me find out the 6 sets of 60. 6 multiplied by 60, because there are 6 sets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will give me 360 degrees. So in order to find the sum of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F, I just take 720, which is the sum of all the angles, minus off the 6 sets of 60, which is 360, and that will give me 360. And that's the final answer. So parents who are watching this, remind your child about this formula. As long as all the sides are equal, using this formula, number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees, you'll be able to get the sum of all the angles inside instantly. Okay, done.